You will be surprised with a short time of attachment and simple care of my roots. I have a garden of eggplants with lots of fruit, like growing in the field. Growing eggplant at home is very simple. Just do it correctly, and you will have a trellis of eggplant with lots of fruit, like growing in the field, and sometimes even more productive. Please watch this video of mine. Today, I will guide you on how to plant and care for plants in each stage to achieve high results. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and drop a comment. It really helps the channel grow. To have healthy young plants, I choose old and firm seeds to grow young plants. After incubating, I will water the seeds with a mist spray to help them have moisture to germinate quickly. Today, I will use plastic pots to grow eggplant. To prevent the soil from being washed away when pouring it in, I will use pieces of leather attached around the four sides. I cut off the top of the 1.5-liter bottle and punched a hole, then used a multi-purpose tissue to make a wick to water the plants. To give the plants more nutrients to grow, I mix worm castings with the soil to help the plants absorb nutrients and grow faster. Before planting, I will spread a layer of rice husks at the bottom to create ventilation for the plant. I put the waste in the middle of the soil to compost and then continue to fill it with soil. After a few days of sowing, they have sprouted and grown into very healthy young plants. I will take them out and plant them in the prepared soil. After planting the young tree, I will pour soil into the bottle and let the wick absorb the water in the bottle to help the tree absorb moisture to grow. During this stage, the tree is growing so that it does not lack nutrients. I continue to add granular fertilizer to the base. The granular fertilizer is taken from goat manure, so the nutritional content is very high. I put soil at the base of the tree to help it hold on better and make it stronger. Plants need regular watering to keep them moist enough to grow, so I put water in a bottle and let the wick transfer water to the plant. I pull out weeds to avoid the situation where the grass competes with the plants for nutrients. This is the stage when the plant needs nutrients to develop flowers and fruits, so I add worm castings to the base to help the plant absorb nutrients faster. I need to water the plants sometimes. When the tree is flowering and fruiting, it is also the time when worms and fungi invade very quickly, so I will use chopped fresh turmeric mixed with water to spray on the tree. Fresh turmeric is very effective in repelling worms and preventing fungi. It's amazing that with simple care and fertilization, I have a garden of eggplants with lots of fruit. Every seed has a story. Like, subscribe, and comment which plant I should grow next.